Hey guys, Fire Alarm 8 here. I have a special guest.
Hi,
Say your YouTube name.
this is Jeffrey Matlack on YouTube here.
So make sure to subscribe to him. He has one video, but he has like 2 or 3 or something. More than 2 or 3. I don't know. But just subscribe to him because he also makes good videos. So he's going to help me out with the tour today. And so let's start out within the room. So we got a smoke detector everything's by Simplex, or most of the stuff. I've seen a couple things that are Wheel Lock, but most of the system here is Simplex. So there you got Simplex smoke detector, your sprinkler. You don't want to put anything on it because it could cause flooding. Another sprinkler head, and let's move outside. Here's our safety plan. So you got where all your alarms are. We are here. All your exits. Here's your stairwell. Your stairway exit, I should say. So you got one there. You got one located at the end of each hall. So this is your key. Your key. So you know where everything is. So here are all where the fire alarms are running through. You got your pull stations. Now there are pull stations where every stairwell is. So if you're at one stairway exit, there's going to be a pull station next to it. If you're at another stairway exit, there's going to be a pull station. And there's an alarm, and you got your fire extinguishers as well. So this is our safety plan. So this is, you can see outside. And let's start with just this hallway first. Here's your door closer.
Me and Brendan are doing
We're gonna do
for his YouTube channel.
Simplex Triller and Simplex smoke detector. Here you got an exit sign, not sure who would buy, but you got an exit sign here. Looks like an older one. And then there's a sprinkler. Simplex 4099s. I don't know the model numbers, but I think it's a 4099. Correct me if I'm wrong. Don't really know the model numbers of the T-bars. It's a newer one because it has the Simplex logo with the lowercase. And it is single action, not dual action. And the letter's faded. Here's your Simplex Triller. Don't know what Candela it's set on. Here's your elevator. Alright, it just closed. And this is another smoke detector, and you got your emergency phone and so in case of emergency, dial 911. For hotel assistance, we'll go to the front desk. Here's your other option, front desk, dial 0, which we're not going to do that. Okay, this is your electrical room. I'm assuming some kind of annunciator pedal would be located in there. This is fire stairs. Sorry about that. So you got your fire stairs, door closer. Okay, so let's open up. Here's your fire stairs. This is all the sprinkler systems. Alright. Looks like not a suspension system, but where most of our piping and pipes are mostly. And this is up to date. The fire sprinklers and fire alarms are up to date, surprisingly. Okay. So there's no fire alarm located here, but we're gonna go down to the second stage. Here's more. Okay, and there's a Simplex Triller. I don't know why they don't have it on the 4th floor, but usually on every floor they're located here, but I guess they just don't want it there. Okay. So there's the door closer. and just shuts there. So let's go. Alright, simplex strobe. And here you got a simplex T-bar under the SPI stopper. Okay, and that is the end of the fire alarm tour. Sorry about the screaming at the end. So make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.